Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a weekend video, and I'm really bullish on this company, and I overheard the CEO talk about NASDAQ listing for Voyager Digital listing on the NASDAQ in the near future. Um, so first of all, you know what? I'm gonna play the video, at least part of the video. If you want to watch the whole video, you can. It's a very interesting video. I basically watched every single video that, at least I think I've watched every single video of Voyager Digital that everyone made about Voyager Digital. I want to learn as much as I can about this company because I'm super interested in it. It sounds like a business. It sounds like a business that I would totally want to adopt. Like, I would love to be part of this exchange or the type of business that they're setting up. So I'm gonna play the video and then I'll talk more about it.
Next question. Are there plans to uplist to the NASDAQ for the stock? Where are you at that process? Well, we've been saying this for a while. We're excited by Coinbase joining the party and becoming a public company. It's given us a little bit of a playbook on the documents that have to be written, the process has to go through. We're actively working on a bunch of things to get us closer and closer there. That is our plan to get to NASDAQ. Our first step in that process is to graduate from the CSE to the TSX. As we keep growing, we're like the third or fourth largest company on the CSE today. We're actively working towards getting to the TSX, and then the next step would be NASDAQ. And again, super excited about that.
There you go. They're actively working on getting to the NASDAQ. But to me, does it really matter if they get onto the NASDAQ or not? I really don't think it matters at all if they get onto the NASDAQ or don't get onto the NASDAQ. Because at the end of the day, if this company shows positive revenue growth, positive profit, big money will pump the stock regardless of NASDAQ or non-NASDAQ. But I think the reason why some investors want Voyager to go onto the NASDAQ is because of option trading. You can't really do option tradings on the OTC, and you can do it on the Canadian Security Exchange. I think you can do it on the Toronto Stock Exchange, even though the volatility kind of sucks. So I mean, there's not very much options trading going on in the Toronto Stock Exchange, but I think that's the biggest reason why investors want the Voyager to go on to the NASDAQ. But I believe that the market cap will go up regardless of option tradings or not. But that's what I think, because look at Curaleaf, right? It's not listed on the NASDAQ. It's only listed on the Canadian Security Exchange and the OTC, yet it is valued $12.35 billion on the Canadian Security Exchange, and Voyager's valued at $3 billion. And I believe that if you give Voyager 1 year, we're going to see the same market cap on Voyager as you see on Curaleaf. That's my opinion. At the end of the day, I don't know what will happen. But it's another thing too. I also seen there's a pretty big short position on Voyager Digital, even though it's traded on the Canadian Security Exchange. If they come up with some positive earnings, shorts could get squeezed pretty bad, in my opinion. So, and from a charting perspective, it looks bullish. Well, it did look bullish, but maybe the shorts are winning. I really don't care who wins or who loses. I just know that the lower the stock price goes, the better of a buying opportunity it becomes, because I have to look at this long term. They are having the earnings report near the end of May, and I feel like that earnings report is going to be really, really good, and it's going to pump the stock higher, my opinion. Only time will tell if I'm right. It's definitely going to be profitable that quarter. I don't see how it's not possible for them to be profitable. They are they're making a lot of revenue right now, and I think that's going to translate into a huge amount of profit. But we'll see. And just before I go, I'll just want to talk a little bit about the Voyager token. I really think the Voyager token is a really cool product. They are generating revenues by selling these Voyager tokens to their users, so they can make more tokens. And from my research, the CEO thinks that in the future, the Voyager token will be worth roughly 25 to 35 bucks, somewhere in that range, like sometime in the future, possibly even more, depending on how many people they get on their platform and how much people are trading the token back and forth and increasing the value. And the token hasn't even been gone live for that long. It's actually came out in according to this 2000. So the Voyager launched the mobile app in 2019. Is there anything about the token? No. When did they launch the token? Oh, the mobile app of the Voyager token launched in January 2019, making it even easier for users to trade cryptos. So yeah, 2019, January of 2019. It's been out for like 3 years now, almost 3 years, 2.5 years. Pretty long. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in my video. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, I got like another minute to go. All I can do is talk more about Voyager, right? Like, I don't know. I just feel like it's a really interesting business model. It feels like they're trying to become a bank that does everything: crypto trading, the debit card, your MasterCard, and offer their users like a lot of benefits, a lot of reasons why they want to be on the Voyager platform versus being in a bank or being in another exchange, because they give so much benefits, like having the Voyager tokens, you get extra percentage for holding other cryptos, and there's the whole loyalty program, and they have the debit card coming, and they have options trading and stocks trading, and you get just holding cash in the Voyager app will give you like a 9% interest rate, which is pretty insane. Even at a bank you can't get that, right? Like I don't know how they're even like, bank gives you like 1%, 0.5%. So they give you a lot of incentives to go to their platform, but maybe that's the reason why they want as many users as possible, because they want to grow to become a giant in the future. And that's the reason why I'm so bullish on the company. Short term, I don't know, the stock could, crash down to, $20, maybe, or maybe even $10. That would be pretty awesome if it went down to $10. Would be a huge buying opportunity, but I'd be holding big ass bags if that was the scenario. But I don't care. I'm holding this thing long term. And the stock market overall is a risky game, so it's something I gotta accept when investing into Voyager. But at $10, I'm going all in, man, all in. And I think the only way that'll go down there is like, well, it depends on the reason. If the stock market crashed and everything went on sale, then maybe not. Maybe I'll find something else to buy, because everything's on sale. But still, very, very bullish on this company. Anyways, that's it for my video. Wow, I almost made it for a 10-minute video. That's pretty amazing. Might as well make it 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.